Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 7 charges but doesn't turn on, you might be experiencing a common issue that can be quite frustrating. This can happen due to a faulty power button, a malfunctioning battery, or even internal hardware problems. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to more significant damage or data loss, so it's essential to tackle this issue as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement battery. First, ensure you have all your tools ready before you begin. To start the repair, turn off your device completely and unplug it from the charger. Using the suction cup, gently lift the screen from the base, taking care not to apply too much force to avoid cracking the display. Once the screen is slightly lifted, use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry along the edges, releasing the adhesive holding the screen in place. Make sure to work slowly and methodically, as rushing this step can cause damage to the device. With the screen removed, you will now have access to the internal components. The next step is to locate the battery. It's generally situated at the center of the device. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. If you notice any screws securing the battery in place, use your precision screwdriver to remove them. Remember to keep these screws safe for reassembly. Carefully lift the battery out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place it in the same position as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly attached. Before you close the device, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no loose cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To reassemble your Surface Pro 7, align the screen with the base and press down firmly around the edges to re-adhere it. Ensure everything is properly fitted and secure. Finally, power on your device to check if it turns on correctly. If it does, congratulations! You have successfully repaired your Surface Pro 7. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's advisable to avoid letting your device run completely out of battery frequently, as this can strain the battery life. Regularly updating your device's software can also help ensure that everything runs smoothly. If you notice any signs of battery deterioration, consider replacing it sooner rather than later. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.